Got $100? That's all you need to start your journey to building wealth. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to invest $100, step by step. It's simpler than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start. Don't let that $100 just sit there. Let's make it work for you. Why $100 is enough to start investing. First, let's bust a myth. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Thanks to modern technology and investment tools, you can start with as little as $1. But $100? That's a great place to start. It's big enough to make a difference but small enough to not feel overwhelming. Think of it like planting a seed. Over time, with the right strategy, that $100 can grow into something much bigger. How? Through compound interest, reinvestment, and smart choices. So, don't wait to start. It's all about taking the first step. Step 1. Set your financial goal before you invest. Ask yourself, what's your goal? Is it saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or growing your wealth long term? If you don't have an emergency fund yet, consider setting aside part of that $100 for unexpected expenses. But if you're debt-free and ready to grow your money, let's move to the next step. Where to invest your $100. Now, let's talk about where to invest that $100. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options. Index funds and ETFs. If you want to keep it simple, put your money in an index fund or ETF, like an S&P 500 ETF. It spreads your investment across hundreds of top companies, reducing your risk while still offering growth. Example: Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Ticker: VOO. Fractional shares. Did you know you can buy small pieces of big companies? With $100, you can invest in fractional shares of giants like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity make this easy. Robo-advisors. If you're unsure where to invest, try robo-advisors like Acorns or Betterment. They'll handle the hard work for you, choosing and managing investments based on your goals. Pro tip: diversify that $100. Don't put it all in one stock or fund. Step-by-step guide to start investing. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to get started. Choose an app or platform. Download an app like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Acorns. These are user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Sign up and fund your account. Set up your account and deposit your $100. Most apps let you connect directly to your bank. Pick your investment. Decide where to put your money. For example, if you're buying an S&P 500 ETF, search for the ticker symbol, like VOO. Make your purchase, choose how much you want to invest, review your order, and hit buy. That's it. You're now an investor. Tips for growing your investment. Now that you've started, how do you make your $100 grow? Here are some quick tips. Be consistent. Add a little money to your account every month, even if it's just $10. Reinvest earnings. If you earn dividends or returns, reinvest them back into your portfolio. Stay patient. Investing is a long game. Don't panic if the market dips. Focus on the big picture. And remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. See? Investing $100 isn't just possible, it's easy. Now it's your turn to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly investing tips. Let me know in the comments, how are you planning to invest your first $100? Let's build that wealth together. See you in the next video.